guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something I've done once. Well, I've done a bunch of times, but not this specific thing. So, one of my first more slime related videos was fix slime makeovers is extreme. And I actually had a lot of fun fixing that slime, and today I want to do it again. So we have this slime. This was a store-bought slime, but I didn't do anything to it. I just, this store-bought slime, it got a little weird, so I put that away, and I used this container for this slime. This is a crazy slime. It was another store-bought slime, but it grew a little bit due to fixing it. Trying to. So this is the color. Personally, the color is kind of disgusting, but also it's kind of light, so it'll be easier to change, which is good. And then also the textures actually kind of tear. It's look, so it doesn't even stick together, which is. Slime should stick together. I actually have to press it and mush it, not even that kind of, it still kind of separates, which should not be happening. So first things, also the smell is kind of disgusting, not gonna lie. So, and to be around it, I want it to smell good. So I got some of this strawberry scent, and that's just gonna be the first little step, just to let me be wanting to be around it more. It smells really good. It's hard to mix things into the slime due to how tough it is, so I'm kind of just squishing it. So now it smells way better, which is great because, I don't want a bad smell slime. So next is the texture. One of the most important things about slime is the texture. That's the whole point you want to play with slime, right? So we got some lotion, and lotion should be a little bit able to soften slime. Glue is extreme for softening slime, and it does a great job. Glycerin is even better. It's an amazing job as well as glue, but lotion is just because it's glue. I feel is gonna melt it too much, and it's gonna get all sticky, and then after it's just gonna be a lot. So I'm gonna try lotion for today. And we'll see how this goes. I've been trying, for the past couple of weeks, I've been trying to fix this slime, and it hasn't really working out with the supplies I have, so I'm going to try using lotion, and it looks like it is melting a little bit, so hopefully that means it's doing something, but it's it looks kind of disgusting on camera, my goodness, and it's still kind of separating right now. This sound is also disgusting, but if this is satisfying to you, I'm happy for you, but hopefully by the end of this, I'll have an actually stretchy, fun to play with slime, because right now, it is getting more squishy, I guess, but still, it's not stretchy at all. I tried adding shaving cream because I heard if you add a whole bunch of shaving cream, it can actually get more sticky. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep adding some lotion, just a little bit. And earlier when I tried to look for the lotion, and I wanted to put some on myself too because my elbows or whatever. There was a huge clog in it, and had to take that out, so now it works great. But yeah, just trying to mush it all together. Hopefully this will work out, and yeah. Move it back here so you can see it better. But right now, it's not going the best. And sometimes, guys, I want to be really truthful with you guys. And if I even get this a little more stretchy, it's fine because, over time, too, if I let it sit for a while, it will probably melt as well, but I just want a better slime. I want to at least try to fix it before I go to that. But let me know if, you want, a video on, how, to just sticks really hard slime, and if you want like more ways that'll work with yours, because like I said, like you can use ingredients and stuff, but sometimes it's like really easy. So yeah, let me know if you want a video on that. And yeah, so this is kind of stretchy now, but it still does not stick. This slime is actually crazy. My other slime that I fixed, I'm pretty sure is just really sticky and it wouldn't activate. But I don't know what is going on. So, gonna add some more lotion. And this is gonna be yeah, as I was saying, the slime kind of got a little crazy. This is my last round of lotion, as I was saying. So hopefully it gets a little better. I'm really hoping for this slime to become at least a little stretchy. So if this is, I don't even know if it's gonna be my last round, honestly. Maybe like 1 round or like 2 rounds. I think it's actually working though, guys. It's getting really squishy and it's getting kind of, and if anything, I have another tactic, but I can't show you guys in this video because it probably, you know, it's gonna take a while. It's still so interesting. I do not know what's going on. This is just, I don't even know how to explain it. It's all rubbery and it's not even sticking together. I don't know what to do, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to test out some slime recipes that maybe will help. But this thing's really bad. Okay, I'm adding some more lotion. Hopefully that will work. And this slime, at this point, I'm not even like being like, oh look, if it's mushing up, it's obviously breaking apart. But like not even like one little part is getting more stretchy, and it's getting me kind of scared. So definitely, like now I'm being so serious. This is actually my last round. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Okay, sorry for this huge silence. I was just trying to show you guys how it sounded, and I was also kind of getting kind of mad at this slime because I honestly do not know what to do, and this slime is looking like guts. And I know that sounds really bad, but it's kind of true. I'm going to keep mixing it though, because right now it's kind of not fully mixed. But sometimes it get things, wait. Why is it actually getting better? Yes. Okay. Guys, I think I actually did it. I think I actually did it. Yes. Whew. I was getting so nervous, but I'm so happy because it worked. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. The bubble pops are not the best, of course, and it's still like not the stretchiest, but it is better than it was before. And now, of course, I would just spend so much time trying to fix this. I'm going to add some red food coloring, but I'm not. Oh my gosh, my hands are so like moisturized. I might not even be able to open it. No. Yeah. Please open. Guys, I do not know how I'm not being able to open this. But I would add some red food coloring to this. And it's not the worst color now, but on camera it looks really disgusting. In person it's a little more peachy. But and the lotion did lighten it up slightly, so I'm gonna just add a dot of glitter to add to this peachy effect I'm going for. Yeah, on camera it doesn't look like it matches at all, but it's, and you can't see the glitter, but hey, on camera it may look disgusting, but in person it's okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know this was kind of like a fail almost, but hey, sometimes it is, and I did fix it technically. I mean, it's better, and I actually would want to play with this now. So yeah, it was a success in my book, but let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next, and maybe there's stuff you want me to do to this slime. This is probably going to be my testing slime now, not gonna lie. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my further videos. I love you all, and bye!